If you earn $50,000 a year, and you have less than $5,000 sitting in your bank account right now, you are not middle class. According to a 2024 Federal Reserve report, you are financially fragile. You are exactly one emergency away from total ruin. If your car transmission blows out tomorrow, or if your company announces a 10% staff reduction, your life falls apart. You have no safety net. You are operating on an invisible tightrope, hoping the wind doesn't blow. But here is the good news. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that. Not in 10 years, not in 5 years, in the next 12 months. The problem isn't your income. That is the biggest lie they sell you. The problem is that no one ever taught you the fundamental difference between looking wealthy and actually being wealthy. I know this because I lived it. 6 years ago, I was 24 years old and making the absolute most money I had ever seen in my life. I was pulling in $85,000 a year. Let me tell you, I thought I had made it. I was going out to dinner, buying nice clothes, renting a place with a beautiful view. But one night, I was sitting in my car in a cold parking lot at 2 in the morning, staring blankly at my banking app. It showed $11.42. I was sitting there, heart pounding, sweating in the cold, wondering how I was going to pay rent in 3 days. I was trapped. I was an impressive, successful, high earner on paper, but in reality, I was invisibly broke. Everyone else thought I was rich, but my bank account knew the brutal truth. By the end of this video, you will walk away with the exact, step-by-step blueprint that the top 1% use to trap their money, force it to multiply, and permanently escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. But before I give you the system, you need to honestly understand the trap you are living in. There is a very specific reason you feel completely broke every single month, even right after you get a raise. It is an invisible, silent pattern called the income illusion, and it has been scientifically designed to extract your wealth and keep you spending. Look around you. The entire modern economy is built on a single, ruthless premise: get you to trade your valuable time for a paycheck, and then immediately convince you to trade that paycheck for heavily marketed liabilities that drop in value the second you buy them. We are systematically taught to be rich for a week and absolutely broke for a month. Think about your own life. You get paid on a Friday, you buy the new flagship phone out of nowhere, you go to the dealership and lease the luxury car. You excitedly upgrade to the nicer apartment. You feel incredibly wealthy all weekend. You are projecting success. But by Monday morning, your money is gone. It has been silently, methodically stolen by automated subscriptions, credit card interest rates, and loan payments. This mechanism is called lifestyle creep, and it is the ultimate antagonist in your financial life. You work 40 brutal hours a week, 50 exhausting weeks a year. You sacrifice your energy. And what do you actually have to show for it sitting in the bank at the end of December? Nothing. Every single time you earn more money, you just consume more things. The trap is perfectly set. You are kept running frantically on the financial treadmill, completely exhausted, desperately hoping that the next promotion will finally give you some breathing room. But here is the brutally undeniable truth. A 2024 Lending Club study reviewed millions of households and found a terrifying statistic. Over 50% of people making 6 figures are still living exactly paycheck to paycheck. Read that fact again. Over half of the 6-figure earners in this country are totally, dangerously broke. They have nice driveways but negative net worth. More money does not solve a money problem. If you have a gaping hole at the bottom of your bucket, turning up the water pressure just makes you spill the water faster. The financial game is not about your top line. The battle is specifically about earning more versus keeping more. That is exactly the mistake that ruined my life. I thought a bigger salary meant a bigger life. Instead, it just meant bigger bills and vastly bigger stress. But there is a way out. There is a proven escape velocity. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to execute the Cashflow Inversion Blueprint. This is the exact, hard-fought system I successfully used to break free from the income illusion forever. It operates using 3 highly specific, numbered components. And the very first one is entirely about building a structural foundation that physically stops the bleeding. Component number 1, the expense floor. Remember when I admitted I was making $85,000 a year and still crying in a parking lot? That entire disaster happened precisely because of a sudden promotion. I got a $15,000 raise. Like everyone else, I immediately thought I was now rich. So what did I predictably do? I instantly went to a dealership and financed an expensive, sporty car for $400 a month. I moved upsize to a place that cost $300 more every month. I started eating at upscale restaurants to subtly flex on my friends. Within 6 short months, my entire massive raise was gone. In fact, it was worse. The new car came with vastly higher insurance. It cost me thousands of dollars more in hidden interest. I was literally paying the banking system for the temporary privilege of looking rich to strangers. Your expenses will naturally grow to swallow your entire income. It is a fundamental law of human behavioral psychology, known as Parkinson's law of money. The only possible way to stop it is to physically, ruthlessly build a boundary. The core principle here is devastatingly simple: cap your lifestyle. The top 1% simply do not dramatically increase their personal spending every single time their income goes up. They keep their baseline expenses completely, stubbornly flat. You absolutely must permanently decouple your social status from your salary. Right now, if you get a $500 raise at your job, you instinctively spend $500 more. To break this toxic trap, the next time you get a raise, you must aggressively freeze your lifestyle. You boldly decide to live on the exact old amount. You act as if the raise never even happened. Here is the exact action plan. Step 1. Open your bank app right now and figure out the exact amount you spent on pure survival over the last 3 months. Rent, basic food, critical gas, utilities. Step 2. Calculate exactly 20% of that survival number and add it back in for actually living your life. Coffee, an occasional dinner out, a movie. Step 3. Hardcode this final calculated number into a totally separate checking account. That is your concrete floor. You are not allowed to drop below it, but infinitely more importantly, you are deeply forbidden to spend a single penny above it. But what exactly do you do with all the surplus money? That brings us to the next massive step. Component number 2, the Asset Firewall. In a minute, I will show you the exact automated account that billionaires use to aggressively grow their wealth tax-free. But first, we urgently need to re-educate you on what an asset actually is. Most people erroneously think their expensive car is an asset. It's aggressively not. It drops 20% the second you drive it away. Most people mistakenly think their designer watch is an asset. It's not. An asset quietly puts money into your pocket when you are sleeping. A liability aggressively takes money out of your pocket every month. The genuine 1% spend their entire focused lives buying extremely boring, practically invisible assets. The stressed-out middle class spends their entire lives buying flashy liabilities that they mistakenly believe are assets. The core operating principle here is to fiercely pay your future self first, not the massive global banking machine. And to actually do that consistently, you desperately need an asset firewall. This critically means treating your long-term investments exactly like your monthly rent. It must be viewed as an absolute non-negotiable bill that gets paid on the very first day of the month without question. You do not foolishly wait until the 28th of the month to see what is left over, because if you wait, human nature guarantees that nothing is ever left over. Data from the global stock market exposes a terrifyingly powerful pattern of wealth accumulation. Let's look purely at the undeniable math for a moment. If you steadily invest just $200 small a month for 10 disciplined years at an average 8% return, it miraculously becomes over $36,000. Give it 20 years, and it explodes into nearly $118,000. Your automated money acts exactly like a tiny, aggressive army. It continuously fights for your ultimate freedom while you sleep. So where do you securely put this army? The mathematically proven way is through broad market index funds. Think of an index fund as buying a tiny, microscopic slice of the entire productive economy. Instead of trying to brilliantly guess which individual tech company is going to win over the next 10 years, you just lazily buy a fraction of the top 500 biggest companies all at once. If they collectively win, you win alongside them. It is automatic, intensely boring, and it unequivocally works. Here is your exact action plan to build this firewall. Step 1. Open a free brokerage account with a low-cost provider like Vanguard or Fidelity. Step 2. Digitally set up an automatic transfer for the exact morning after your paycheck consistently hits your checking account. Directly route that money into a broad market index fund. Step 3. Physically delete the brokerage application from your phone. Never open it. You are intensely building a massive wall of solid assets between you and permanent financial ruin. We are powerfully halfway there. You now have a heavily locked expense floor and a completely automated asset firewall. But I can hear you asking, how do you ever actually get to buy the genuinely nice things? How do you actually enjoy the hard-earned money you make? This next step is the single most important part of the entire inversion system. Component number 3, the liability proxy. The struggling middle class works tremendously hard, bleeds their energy, and desperately saves their finite wage money to eventually buy a nice luxury car. The truly wealthy work strategically, aggressively invest their liquid money into productive engines, and ruthlessly use the passive profits generated by those investments to happily buy the exact same luxury car. One single path leaves you hopelessly with a rapidly depreciating piece of metal and an entirely empty bank account. The other intelligent path leaves you with the cash-flowing assets safely protected in your portfolio, and the beautiful luxury car parked directly in your driveway. This is the ultimate contrast in modern finance, earning more through labor versus keeping more through leverage. If you heavily desire a high-end luxury item, you do absolutely not buy it with the very money you directly made from trading your physical hours at a job. You use that wage money to buy a productive asset, and you patiently let the asset quietly buy the luxury for you. The asset officially becomes your financial proxy. It sounds slightly like a magic trick, but it is pure, unadulterated math. Let's say you desperately want a fantastic new vehicle that brutally costs $500 a month on a lease. The normal broken way is to work extra stressful hours, frantically hand that $500 straight to the smiling dealership every single month, and violently lose that specific money forever. The powerful 1% method is completely different. You aggressively save up and push $60,000 into a solid, diversified investment, continuously paying an average 10% a year over time. That specific investment effortlessly generates $6,000 a year in pure passive returns. Mathematically, that is exactly $500 a month. You deliberately use that specific generated passive income to smoothly pay for the car lease. 5 fast years later, the car is completely paid off. But guess what happens next? You still have the entire initial $60,000 sitting safely right there in your protected investment account. You bravely kept the golden goose, and you comfortably ate the golden eggs. Step 1. Coldly price out the exact luxury lifestyle item you want. Step 2. Precisely calculate exactly how much in a solid, income-producing asset you theoretically need to generate that required monthly amount in passive returns. Step 3. Aggressively delay your immediate gratification, pile up cash, and aggressively build the proxy until your protected assets can easily afford the luxury on your strict behalf. This one profound mindset shift completely and permanently rewires your entire future financial destiny. I know exactly what you are cynically thinking right now as you watch this. I don't magically make $100,000 a year right now. I certainly don't have 60 grand sitting in a briefcase. I can barely afford expensive groceries this stressful week. How is this grand plan actually supposed to practically work for me? Let me quickly introduce you to 2 completely different friends. We will call them Sarah and Mark. They intimately know each other and live right down the street from each other in the same sprawling city. They are both exactly 28 years old today. Sarah makes an extremely fantastic, enviable corporate salary, $120,000 impressive dollars a year. She beautifully lives in a gorgeous, glass-walled luxury high-rise. She proudly leases a brand new luxury SUV. She flawlessly wears expensive designer clothes to the modern office every single day. But here is the dark, terrifying secret. Sarah burns exactly $118,000 a year to rigidly, desperately maintain that flawless lifestyle. If her tech company unexpectedly does massive layoffs and she misses just a single critical paycheck, her entire glamorous life instantly collapses. She looks incredibly, undeniably wealthy on her curated Instagram page, but her actual cold hard net worth, barely $2 measly thousand. She is structurally trapped in an expensive prison of her very own making. Then there's her counterpart, Mark. Mark makes a far more modest $70,000 a year. Mark calmly drives a highly reliable, slightly dented, 8-year-old Japanese sedan. He quietly lives in a very clean but decidedly very modest apartment complex further away from downtown. He even proudly brings his prepared lunch to work most days, but Mark has a secret weapon. Mark has a powerful expense floor. He ruthlessly limits his entire living costs to just $45,000 a year, and every single month, like an absolute machine, he relentlessly fires an incredible $2,000 straight into his automated Asset Firewall. Rain or shine, let's objectively look at their vastly divergent lives just 5 short years later. Sarah still has her incredibly fragile $2,000 net worth, an overflowing closet full of slightly older designer clothes, and an absolute crushing mountain of silent anxiety keeping her awake at night. Mark, on the other hand, quietly has well over $150,000 in solid investments, aggressively compounding rapidly in the deep background of his life. If Mark unexpectedly loses his job tomorrow morning, he can calmly survive for multiple long years without breaking a single drop of sweat. Mark has true, absolute, undeniable freedom. The core difference between these 2 people, it wasn't genius, it wasn't an inheritance, it was one single, profound habit. Mark methodically built a hardened system. Sarah impulsively built a hollow illusion. You have to completely stop viewing yourself as just another vulnerable target consumer roaming around in the global economy, waiting to be advertised to. You are a business. Your personal household is a literal, functioning business entity. When a well-managed business makes a large profit margin, it aggressively reinvests that hard-fought money right back into its very own structural growth. When you make extra money at your job, you absolutely must aggressively reinvest it right back into your temporal freedom. You are not just a desperate spender trying to survive the weekend. You are a strategic builder trying to conquer the coming decade. Do you desperately need real-world proof that this system works for literally anyone? Look no further than the profound true story of Ronald Reed. Ronald was a humble gas station attendant and a local, quiet janitor in a small town in Vermont. He never made a massive, flashy corporate salary. He famously walked around town wearing very old, worn-out flannel shirts and chopped his own firewood well into his golden years. But when Ronald finally died peacefully in 2014, the entire global financial world was completely shocked. When they opened his final estate, they made an insane discovery. He had successfully, quietly amassed a towering, undeniable $8 million fortune. How on earth did a humble janitor decisively beat the high-powered Wall Street executives at their own game? It is very simple. He completely, inherently understood the raw power of the Cashflow Inversion Blueprint, without anyone ever explicitly teaching it to him. He ruthlessly kept his baseline living expenses incredibly low for decades. He systematically, consistently bought microscopic slices of incredibly solid, intensely boring, heavy dividend-paying blue-chip companies. And he never, ever panic-sold during a market crash, nor did he ever interrupt the glorious mathematical miracle of compound interest. He certainly did not look wealthy in his flannel shirts, but he comfortably lived a magnificent life of impenetrable, unassailable, totally invisible wealth. Remember that incredibly painful $5,000 we talked about in the very beginning of this video. The statistical difference between being financially fragile and being entirely financially secure. I want you to heavily reframe how you think about that specific money forever. That $5,000 sitting in an account isn't just an annoying emergency fund waiting for your transmission to explode. That money is your incredibly brave very first soldier on the battlefield of wealth. It is the unshakable beginning of your ironclad firewall. It is the deep, strong concrete foundation of the floor that is going to comfortably and effortlessly hold up your entire future life. The real problem holding you back was completely never your basic income level. Your income is just a dumb hammer. It is just a blunt tool. The actual devastating problem was that you were dangerously using your very best tool to meticulously build someone else's empire instead of your own. You were aggressively sending all of your incredibly hard-earned money straight back out the door. You were enriching the mega banks. You were making the car dealerships rich on huge depreciation arcs. You were paying the mortgages of wealthy landlords who don't even know your name. Today, right now, as you watch this, that massive hemorrhage completely stops. Today, you finally, aggressively start keeping your own money. You deeply plant your flag in the ground. You boldly start diligently building your very own invisible wealth structure. Remember, you absolutely aren't just trying to get flashy rich for one fast weekend. You are methodically, systematically building an absolute fortress of freedom that forcefully lasts a long, unbothered lifetime. You are actively building an unshakable empire specifically for yourself, not for your bank, not for your demanding boss, exclusively for you. Now, if you want to actually deliberately take this entire wealth-building philosophy to the exact next level, you desperately need to understand something shocking. You need to intimately understand exactly how the ultra-wealthy actively use completely legal, highly secret loopholes deep in the complex tax code to shield and keep even more of what they earn. There is an entire, fascinating second game being mercilessly played right above your head while you are distracted, and it is entirely legal if you know the exact rules.